Hello, in front of me I've got Vantrue N4. In this video I'll show you how to install accessories to the main camera. As you can see right now, the cap mount is already installed. Let me show you one more time how to remove it, and now you have to install it just like this. Now, to connect power supply, you have to connect this USB-C cable to this USB-C charging port in the mount. And now to connect rear camera, prepare this long USB-C cable. One part you have to plug to this USB-C port in your main camera, and the second part you have to insert to this port in the rear camera. And now all our accessories are connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.